Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking loaded tater tots. This is a quick and easy late night snack or a great side dish for a party. First, you will need to line a tray with baking paper, then lay out half a bag of tater tots. Place in the oven at 356 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 20 minutes or until crispy. Next, roughly chop 1 onion. Then roughly chop 4 strips of bacon. Finally, chop 1 stick of chorizo. Heat a pan over medium heat, add some butter. Fry off the onions until they begin to soften. Make sure it's a pan that can be placed in the oven. Add the bacon to the onions. Once the bacon has begun to fry, add the chorizo. Fry until the bacon and chorizo becomes crispy and the onions brown. Take it off the heat and set the onions, chorizo and bacon to one side. Once the tater tots have finished cooking, place them on the pan that we cooked the onions, chorizo and bacon. Season with chicken salt. You'll find the link to the recipe in the description. Then spread over the onion, chorizo and bacon pieces. Finally cover with grated cheese. Place the pan under the grill for a few minutes just to melt the cheese. Top with some chives and there you have it, loaded tater tots. The crispy tater tots combined with the melted cheese and the crispy chorizo and bacon make this one delicious dish. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.